Out the grandstand?
Yeah.
So,
I'm an all-powerful demigod. Fear me and my power.
say hear me and hear me roar.
I said fear me.
Hello, pussycat.
Fear me. I have a wrench. I will hurt you.
I thought it was your back tire that needed a tube.
Nope.
It's the front one?
Yep. Back tire still has air in it, which tells me it doesn't need a new tube.
Well, obviously.
What do you know? I'm the all-powerful demigod of bikes. You are nothing but a mortal fool.
Oh, now you have wheels, so.
I'm in me mom's car. Vroom, vroom. Behold my handiwork.
Better get your air pump.
Right there. How did I accomplish such tasks? You ask? Well, at first I was befuddled by this contraption. I had no idea what any of this shit was. Bitch.
But you figured it out, correct?
No, Mom, I didn't.
You didn't.
But, so first, it was a matter of reading the instructions. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward, you know. Take off the thingy, do the thingy, and that thingy. So, taking off the bike tire. I took it off, but then realized that bitch was in the way. Realized, okay, I need a wrench now. Fair enough. And then, of course you're not on right.
Just remember not to blow it up too much because you could blow up your tube. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Kind of just like when you're putting air in the car tires. If you air them up too much, they could pop.
And so, I had to unscrew this, then I had to get on, and then it was a matter of putting the little tube in and then the tire on top. I was so confused because at first I tried to put it on the metal thing, but then I couldn't get the tire on. I tried that like 3 times, still didn't work, and I was like, huh. But then, it came to me. I had an epiphany. No, where's she? Where is she?
You had an epiphany? I don't know where your
I
Tiffany
had an epiphany!
She's down there.
Oh, I had an epiphany.
Hi, Tiff Tiff.
And so, I put I put the tube and the tire and then put them both on together. And it worked.
What are they having some kind of, oh my God, we're going to start school even though they're really stupid to start school thing going on?
Maybe.
Let's see how many people can catch the corona sitting at the stadium tonight because we're all stupid. Yep. Hi, Tiff. What's up, babies? What's up, little girl? Come here. Where'd you go, Mama? Hey, Mama. Kitty puss. Don't run away, Miss Kitty Puss. Come here. Kitty, kitty, Tiffy. Hi, Tiffy. Hi, Tiffy. Hi, Mommies. What you doing? Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. What thingy?
The dingle hopper!
Your dingle hopper?
Oh, I got it. Never mind.
She's got a dingle hopper. Did you know that, Tiff Tiff? Oh, hello, Mr. Simba down there. What you doing, Mr. Simba? Simba. Hi, babies.
Close.
Hello, dude. Quit smelling his butt. That's your kid. Yeah, it is. I think that one's yours anyway. Hello, Mr. Simba. Hi, honey. What's my Simba doing? What's my little Simba babies doing, huh? What's Simba doing? Hi, Simba. You mama's boy? Are you mama's boy, Simba? Simba's my boy. Hi. Hi. Simba. Hi. Hi, Simba. Hello, little Simba boy.
Okay.
Hi.
And next,
Hello, Miss Tiffany.
moment of... Ow! Fuck! You little bitch!
Bree, I got you recording over here. Watch your mouth. I know
Fuck,
she's loud,
shit,
isn't
pussy
she?
ass motherfucking
Bree!
bitch.
Bree!
Mom! You know how many times you've cussed? Go to your room!
You know how old you are?
Old enough.
Old enough to get your butt busted.
At least I'm not cussing at you.
You're cussing in front of me. That's bad enough.
Wow, it's just a word.
So be careful out there. You haven't ridden in a while.
I'll be fine. Oh, blood never hurt it.
That's what Steven said, and then he crashed that bicycle.
Oh, he's a stupid bitch.
And it was sad because Elisa had just got it pretty much.
Cool. Oh, hell no.
Does it need a little bit more?
Yeah, just a little bit. I was like, that little, I swear, if that's not actually what it needed, I was gonna fell out of his body.
Oh, it needs a tube.
I know.
Oh, whoop! It fell again. Look at the three trios. Hello, kitty cat. What you doing, Miss Briss? Tiff, Tiff, what you doing? Tiffy, kitty, 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 kitty. Hey. Hey. Hello. Hi, Tiffany. Hi, Simba. Hi, Duder Bro, whichever one you are. Oh, you want to play with my phone? He wants to play with my phone. He says, who's in there? Who's in the phone? Who is that? Who's in the phone?
Come on, close. Ugh. Oh.
I wouldn't ride around in the grass.
I don't ride in the grass. It's hard to ride in.
Well, I'm just suggesting it so you don't pop your tires like a certain little boy did. And then wanted to blame it on the bike.
I'll blame you on the bike.
Kind of like a little girl that blames hay in the floor on a guinea pig that can't get out of a cage.
He's the one who knocks it in the floor.
Yes, but who's the one that owns him that's supposed to take care of him?
I'm not the one who knocks the thing in the floor. So.
But you're the one that has to take care of him.
Okay, then if we're going to that lodge, it's still looking flattish?
No. Come here. Come over here. I think your top thing is rubbing on it.
Here's my top thing. Let me just...
No, then you'll bring it over here and I'll help you.
I'm looking. I'm checking.
It looks like it's been thrown down and that thing's like rubbing into your tire now.
What thing is this?
Bring it here so I can look.
Oh my God, Mom!
Or not.
You don't... Never mind.
Well, I just wanted to see if it was rubbing against it. I don't guess it is. No, I guess it's okay.
that fat? I'm just heavy.
You're good.
Okay.
Quit digging in that spot, Woofy! You're gonna get your ass in trouble again.
Nice!
And she's off.
Dad, feels a little flat still. It's weird.
What you barking at her for? What you doing, Wiener dog? What you barking at, Wiener? Woofy! Get out of that hole! Woofy! No! No, Woofy!
Wait. I wonder if I can do it with no hands. Hey, I can! That's cool.
Are you barking at her, Daisy? Woofy! Woofy! I said no! Hi, Daisy. Not you either. Don't go in the damn hole and start digging. What? Daisy! Daisy? That's hers. Leave it there. She's riding a bicycle. Took her a minute to fix it. Anyway, there's $7 on it.
Hey, if Shelby asks you,
Who?
Shelby,
Shelba?
yeah.
Okay.
Asks you, like, so she asked me how to do the car green pop